Hi, this is Rian from Must Be Noob. In this lab guide, we will be configuring name protection on a DHCP Server 2019. DHCP name protection allows you to protect the names that DHCP registers in DNS on behalf of the DHCP clients from being overwritten by devices running on non-Microsoft operating system that may have the same name. The DHCP server role supports name protection for both IP version 4 and IP version 6. You can configure DHCP name protection at server level and a scope level. For that, we need to open DHCP Management Console. On our DHCP server, I'm going to click on Start button. Let's click on Windows Admin Tools. And let's double click on DHCP. Let's expand our server name, which is member-server01.mustbenoob.lab. Let's expand IP version 4, right click on IP version 4 and select Properties. Click on DNS and here we have our options for name protection. DHCP name protection is disabled at a server level. Let's click on Configure. We just need to select this checkbox to enable name protection for IP version 4. You can read brief information about name protection. The DHCP server will register host and pointer records on behalf of a client. However, if there is a different client already registered with the same name, the DHCP update will fail. Click on OK. Click on Apply. And click on OK. That's it. Let's check for our DHCP scope with the name DHCP Scope 1. Let's right click on it. Go for the Properties. Click on DNS. Under Name Protection, I'm going to click on Configure. And here, as you can see here, name protection is disabled. Why? Already we have enabled name protection at a server level, but on a scope level, that is not enabled. The reason is quite simple. When you enable name protection at server level, that doesn't apply on existing DHCP scope. So afterward, if you create any DHCP scope, DHCP name protection will be enabled on that new scope. Let's select Enable Name Protection for existing DHCP scope. Click on OK and we simply need to click on Apply and OK button. In this lab guide, we have seen the steps to enable DHCP name protection at a server level as well as on existing DHCP scope level.